Try out this 15 minutes healthy poha, which is super easy and nutritious. So turn on the flame, put your kadai, and into this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, which is stone pressed. Next I'm adding half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add some fresh curry leaves. Add 1 chili and half inch ginger, which I have chopped finely. Add some finely chopped onions. Saute until they all become translucent. Next I'm adding some vegetables like carrot, tomato for adding more flavors and nutrition to our poha. Add capsicum and mixed all them really well. These vegetables are rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, so make our poha more nutritious and healthy. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, rock salt as per your taste. Pour 1 tablespoon of water so that the vegetables become 10x. It's time to add 1 cup of poha, which I have washed couple of times, and add into this veggies. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and mixed all the ingredients really well. Now it's time to add 1 tablespoon of mixed seeds for including more healthy fats in your diet. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts for adding more crunch and fats in your diet. Add some fresh coriander leaves and mixed all it really well. After 5 minutes, your ideal for weight loss, manage blood sugar levels, and can be included in your fitness journey. Poha is ready to enjoy. Garnish it with coriander and peanuts. If you enjoyed, please like this video to show your love and subscribe to my channel for more videos. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.